So what are you doing every day to stay fit? I mean, what do you do other than haul gear? Hi, it's Bill, and thanks again for being a part of our little dog and pony show. This is the Creative License Podcast, and I want to thank my sponsors, of course, Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, Promo Only. All of these wonderful people do wonderful things, and if you can take some time to be kind to them, I'd truly appreciate it. I know a lot of guys, including myself, that over the years went, I don't have to have a regular routine of activity or exercise. I mean, I get a lot of exercise lifting my speakers and hauling my stuff, and just all the events that I do. If I'm on my feet, I'll put in 25, 30,000 steps. I mean, why do I have to have a regular routine? Well, I suppose you can go with that you don't, but the truth is, the earlier you start some sort of a routine of exercise and activity, the easier it's going to be in your older age to keep those things going. I was very active when I was a young man. Beyond DJing, I was a swimmer, I was a bicyclist, I rode my bike 50 miles a day, I swam in a lake 2.5 to 3 miles a day. I was a lifeguard. I was always go. On top of that, I was hauling gear, so I was in really great shape, but I didn't give thought to it. I didn't really get up every day and think I'm going to do this. It's just something that I did because it was fun. I didn't want people telling me. I didn't want to have a routine that I had to get up and do every morning, but I was. Well, as you get older and you're not living at home, right? You have your own place and you've got a mortgage, or you've got car payments, or you've got a regular job, and all of a sudden adulthood shows up and you are now just doing life, and that idea that you have to make time to exercise or to just be active seems silly, because you never had to make time for it before. Well, you had tons of time before. You had nothing but time before. And unless you have a job where your whole job is to run every day or to lift stones every day, right? You've got to find time to do this. Now, a couple of things that I get out of what I started doing, and I only started doing this 2.5 years ago, is I walk every single day. I walk every single friggin' day. And I have for well over 900 days without taking a break. Now, it kind of happened to me by accident, because a friend of mine in England, who is a DJ and met me at a conference, his name is Alan Marshall. He had been walking every day and he had lost some weight. And when I saw him at the conference, he was talking about how he had lost that weight. And one of the ways that he had done it was that he was walking. So I just said, I'll walk with you during the conference every morning. And I did. And it was really hard, and I was huffing and puffing. And it's like, I can't believe it. All I'm doing is walking. And I'm having a tough time just doing what I'm supposed to do, right? Well, after we leave the conference, I come back to Minnesota. He goes back to England. And we talk about how we're going to walk together. But what we're going to do is we're going to do a video. I'll send him a live video. He'll send me a live video. I'll live video during my walk for him. He'll live video during his walk for me. And that's what I did. The first day I got back, I took out my phone like I have here, and I set it up, and I said, hey, Alan, here I am. Told you I'd do the walk. I'm going to walk every day. I'm going to keep going. I don't know about you, but, I'm the man. I'm going to do this. And then I got weird and cocky, and I said, you know what? I'm so good at this, I'll do this every day. I'll do this 365 days in a row, and I won't stop. What are you going to do? And I laughed, because I had no intention of keeping that promise. And I just was messing with him like you do with your buddies. And I turned it off and I put the phone in my pocket, and all of a sudden it was going bling, 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 bling. Everybody's going, wow, Bill, that's great. You're going to do that. And like, well, how quickly did Alan tell everybody? Well, it turns out I didn't send him a private video message. I set up Facebook Live for the first time, and I had never done it before. So I told all 5,000 people on my Facebook that I was going to do this. So then I was stuck. Now, granted, for the first 100 days of walking and doing a video, I was complaining. But after that, it's something that I can't consider not doing each day. It clears my mind. It keeps me active, gets me outside. And it is yet another thing that each day I am successful doing. Something I said I was going to do, and then I did it. I'm successful getting up in the morning, making my bed, making breakfast, and going out and having a good 2.5-3 mile walk, even while I'm dealing with a bad ankle. Why should you go out and do something activity-wise every single day? If nothing else, so you can be successful every day doing something that's going to be good for you. One of which is take a walk, or go for a run, or go to the gym, or do some swimming. But you want to create a plan that you will do each day, because now it becomes part of who you are and keeps you active and keeps you in shape when the events are not as plentiful and as your body decides that it needs more from you. What do you think of that? What do you do? Write some comments down below and let me know. I'm Bill, this is Creative License, and I will see you next week.